Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign out from Google Classroom. So if you use Google Classroom on your system, for example your Android phone or your iPhone, you need to sign out from the app. It's a little bit tricky, so you need to go to the application info and try to go to the storage and clear the data in there. And you can consider to uninstall the Google Classroom from your device. And if you use Google Classroom on your laptop or desktop version, it's easier than on your phone. After you finish the class, you can sign out by click on your profile and simply click sign out. Now you already log out from the account from the Google Classroom. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. See you in the next video.